Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can launch your prospecting campaign. So, once the import is complete, you're gonna go to Lykoza, click on campaigns and go to new campaign. As you can see here, there are a lot of sequences. Each one of them are made up of actions that you want to see accomplished on your prospects. So here I'm gonna choose invitation, meaning that my prospects will receive an invitation. So you can change the name of your campaign if you want, it's optional. Click on next. Now you're gonna choose the list of your prospects. You can either add all the prospects or select one of them from the list. Click on next. Here you're gonna type the invitation that the prospects will receive. Click on next and there you have, your campaign is created. Hope you find this video useful. Hit that like button, subscribe and share your Lykoza thoughts below. See you in the next videos.